World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. It is celebrated to promote the protection and conservation of the environment. The main aim of this day is to raise awareness among people to protect the environment. This day also focuses on issues like pollution, global warming, climate change, biodiversity, etc. The theme of World Environment Day 2024 is land restoration, desertification, and drought resilience. The main aim of this day is to raise awareness among people to protect the environment. First World Environment Day was celebrated on 5th June 1974. World Environment Day comes annually with a new theme which is assigned by the United Nations. Our earth is our future. We are restoration of our generation. Let us unite and plant trees and clean the environment. Keep nature stay, keep life stay. Go green, breathe clean. Lend in hand to save the planet. Trees are the lungs of the world. Plant more trees to help save Mother Earth. No pollution is the only solution. Save the environment, the future is in your hands. Protect the forests, they are the climate umbrella of our planet.